Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate you guys as always for sticking around and showing so much love on these daily updates. But yeah, let's analyze together and understand what's happening with the price of Hbar and of course what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. And it's absolutely crazy to think about that. We're already going into Friday morning. It just seems like time is going by so fast. This year of 2025, I think is the fastest year I've ever experienced. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are on the same page. But it has been, an eventful year so far. But yeah, if you're looking across the board, once again, we are seeing a continuation of the green momentum based off of what we're seeing happening with BTC, which of course I'll touch a little bit more on as we go further. HBAR is also up right now, about 0.8%, also up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is at 16.35 cents, valuation 6.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $274.8 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I want you guys to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance index. So, even though we're seeing, quite a large, green day right now, specifically over the last 24 hours, dominance is still quite high. It's not showing any signs of slowing down right now, which of course is not the best thing if you're an altcoin holder, because let's say Bitcoin were to see a little bit of a minor pullback, this will have an impact on the price of altcoin. So if you're looking at BTC on the other hand, you guys can see this for yourself. BTC is still ranging, and I'm very, very impressed right now, despite off the tariffs announcements and whatever we've been hearing over the last few days. You're still seeing the price of Bitcoin ranging in the 38-point Fibonacci retracement level. And again, this is something that we don't really want to be neglecting, so because you can see this for yourself, we're finding ourselves back in the 38-point fib zone. Of course, we're not anywhere near the 23.6, but the fact that this support right now is playing as a significant support line for us is something that I am not going to be ignoring. So I like what I'm seeing here for BTC. Of course, if Bitcoin is able to push back above $87,000 to $88,000, I think we could start heading towards the 23.6. So obviously, right now we're still ranging within the 38 point, which of course I'm sure no one's complaining. But of course, if we drop below this, the chance of us going down to the likes of the $77,000 to $76,000 is still on play. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now. So you guys can see this for yourself. I want to show you guys HBAR's price on the hourly time frame, because that is something that you really want to be paying attention to. So as of now, I want you guys to understand, there's been 3 different times. So just a few hours ago, we actually did see the price of HBAR. I really want to take you guys down, a little bit of memory lane. So here, let's so this was the first time, I repeat, now hear me out very carefully. This was the first time since November that the price of HBAR fell below this key support line, which again is a significant support line at 15.5 cents. You guys know the significance of this. We talk about it quite a bit. And you can see this for yourself. We actually wicked below, not for too long. But we did indeed, break below it for the first time since November. And again, that is, when you put at it from that point of view, you can really see that, we are seeing a little bit of weakness, within the overall market, and of course with HBAR as well. But you could see, this support so far did end up playing for us once again, because we are still sitting above there. But the fact that we broke below it brings the question, are we about to see HBAR losing the support and start heading towards the downside? Because we have already introduced ourselves to that specific target. As of now, we did see the price so far being supported. We're back up to the 16.4 cents price point, but they're very, very important to remain above this range. As I've stated to you guys before, it doesn't really matter if it consolidates here for the next few weeks. You really want to stay above this key support line. But the fact that we did wick below it, this wouldn't really be a major surprise that if we were to actually drop below it this time around, if BTC does not hold around the 38.2. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. Yes, we're still in the 61.8 right now. I'm sorry, the 78.6. But of course, you really want to have the support hold for us. And as of now, Bitcoin, even though it isn't the 38.2, it has a long, long ways to go. And with the dominance showing so much strength, it is something that we shouldn't really be ignoring. So one step at a time. Of course, let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX and peace.